Hiya, Darren from Ray's Guitars. I'm going to do an unboxing today. So I've got a job, quite an exciting job on a guitar to do soon. And it made me splash out on a new set of nut slot files. So I've gone for the Music Nomad nut slot files. They just arrived and I thought I'd take you through what's inside. Okay, here we have it. So, Music Nomad diamond coated nut file set. And this is a 6-piece set for acoustic guitar, light medium strings. So I've got nut files, but I've been after these for a long time, and now I've got a job in that's justifying it because I'm going to be doing some work on obviously many nuts. But the next one I'll do is brass nut, and I'll take you through that soon. There's the Ray's Guitars Whippet in the background. Okay. Silica gel, do not eat. Good advice. There we go, push little box. Stickers, I guess, to identify which ones you've got. That's right, adverts selling the other tools. Okay, so here we go. So we've got the different sizes. It's American, so inches, mil underneath. Also, it looks like they've got different grits depending on different coarseness of grit depending on which one you're using. Okay, well, they're good, aren't they? Quite sturdy. It's going to work really well, and it's got the size of it marked on there. I guess for ease of use you can put a sticker on it. Yeah. Oh, I think it'll work brilliant. What I like is, see, the other nut files I've got are, it's basically just a blade or even a needle file, and they just, they're very, very bendy on the lighter ones, and this one you're not going to bend anything with that. So fairly pricey, not compared to StewMac, which could be possibly better, but the StewMac ones don't come with the handles either, so you have to buy the handles on top. And actually I've had my eye on these for a long time. There we go. So I'll probably get, yeah, I could get some more sizes put in there, and then I could cover acoustic and electric. Nice. There you go, Music Nomad nut slot files. I'll take you through what I'm going to use them on first, which is going to be quite an exciting project. Catch you soon.